Andyan po ang ating freestyle. Yon, nandyan po ang ating health service, ang ating PNP Maritime Group Special Action Force. So, dikit po ang laban mga kababols. Nangunguna po si Sir Doc, health service. Sumunod po ang ating Maritime Group and Special Action Force. Dikit po mga kababols.
Para sa 100 meters.
So, nangunguna pa rin ang ating third service, si Sir Doc. Tapos sumunod po ang ating Special Action Force. Pangatlo po ang ating PNP Maritime Group.
Okay, awarding ceremony for 100-meter individual medley. Women, PCO, 50 above. To be awarded by our Chief SSU. First,
Ayan, congratulations kay Sir Doc Yul ng ating health service. Pangalawa po ang ating Special Action Force. And pangatlo po ang ating PNP Maritime Group. So, congratulations, sir.
second place from Maritime Group.